How's it going today? Today I'm at the Railway Coastal Museum down on Water Street. It's sitting on the old Riverhead train station. This place has been built in 1903, so there's a bit of history behind it. Unfortunately, the museum is not open this time of year, so I can only give you a little tour of the outside of it. This museum, or this train station, has been designated as a National Historic Site. And it was operating from the end of the 1800s until 1988 was when they shut it down. We'll go over this way and have a look at an old replica of a train here now. All aboard! Yeah, one of the things I do wish is that the museum was actually open. It would be nice to go inside right now to sit down and have a little lunch, or maybe even have a coffee to warm up, because it's pretty chilly today. But it's nice, it's refreshing, it's good to get out. I feel like a little child. I gotta climb up on the train. It's a little bit of ice up here, but not too much. Everybody's looking at me like I'm an idiot. Well, they're half right. So this is the train. This is the Railway Museum. Well, part of it anyway. There's a transport truck stopped there talking, busy spot, lots of trucks around. That's it. Ocean X is right here, so they're busy bringing in the goods, bringing all our food, so we don't waste away to nothing. Here's an information board if you want to look at it. You can hit pause, or you could probably go on the Coastal Museum website and find the information. This right here is a map of the Trans-Canada Trail, as you can see. It shows where the railway actually ran. Newfoundland's portion was about 883 kilometers or so from St. John's to Port aux Basques. They have a little memorial here and a list of all the names who donated to it. Another part of the memorial. It's a lot of names. So I guess each of these placards are in memory of several people. Oh look, Private Kevin Kennedy from St. Lawrence. He got killed in Afghanistan. He was in the same armored vehicle that a friend of mine got killed in. I didn't know Kevin Kennedy at all, but I've attended a fundraiser for him where we raised money for a garden in memory of him that's down in St. Vincent's, if you ever want to go down and check it out. It's a beautiful spot. It's a good tribute to him. Never thought I'd see his name there though. Anyway, I guess I'll keep walking. They even got one of those boxes painted like a train. That's pretty cool. See a lot of these painted all around the city. Different colors, different designs. Well, you can't go without giving you a tour of the backside. Baby got back all right. Yeah, I'm definitely coming back here this summer or whenever tourist season opens again, because I think this would be an interesting little site. Apparently it even got a model train display in there that actually operates, at least according to what I found on Google. So that should be nice to see. My son, he used to be right into trains and trucks when he was a kid, so maybe he'll tag along with me. Hard to say, he's 21 now, but you never know, he's still a child at heart. Well, anyway, that's it for my little tour of this spot for today. I'm gonna go home and grab a coffee and warm up. Although it's not too bad. My hands are still, I can still feel them, so that's a good sign. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching. I appreciate you looking at my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.